Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and you are learning your English journey in a great way. Friend, today I am going to tell you something which is very important and very common problem nowadays among English learner. And that problem is I know English but I can't speak English. Yes friend, many people are there are so many people who have same problem that I know English but I can't speak English. Friends, I want to tell you one thing that knowing English it doesn't always mean speaking English fluently. It doesn't mean knowing English and speaking English both are different thing. Why? Because you are able to speak English only when you practice a lot. Everything needs some practice. So, yes, friend, practice is very important to speak English. So, friend, first question is how can we do practice? So, you can watch in my earlier videos. I have suggested some tips or some ideas how can we practice to speak English. Yes, friend. And I have also discussed this thing that what was my initial stage. At that time, I was not able to articulate any sentences before anyone. Why? Because fear of judgment, fear of wrong vocabulary, and fear of making mistakes. So, friends, at first you have to boost of your confidence because confidence is very important to speak before someone. You know very well English grammar and vocabulary and many things, but if you don't have courage to speak before anyone, so at that time when you start to speak before someone, at that time you stuck. Why? It doesn't mean that you have lack of knowledge. It means you have lack of confidence, because confidence play a very vital role in speaking. So at first you have to courage, you have to gather courage to speak before anyone. So friend, how can you gather courage and how can you boost up your confidence to speak English? This question is also important. So boost up your confidence, start to speak small sentences. Like if you are in the park or if you are in a school and anywhere, start to speak about what surrounding is there. Like there is a fan, and there is so many plants in my garden. Students are playing in the playground. Some students are playing footballs and some students are playing cricket. In this way you can start your communication, start to speak English, to use small sentences. And the second thing is friend, the second thing is you have some vocabulary, some dictionary of vocabulary, that basic vocabulary. Not don't think about in your initial stage, don't think about advanced vocabulary. You have to focus on normal vocabulary, daily uses vocabulary. And at first you have to learn some daily uses vocabulary, and then you can able to speak English, and you can able to express your thoughts like small sentences. Start to speak small sentences, and you can see the change, and you can notice in yourself that you are improving day by day. And friends, the main thing is that in when we are in our childhood, at that time teachers didn't focus on our speaking parts. They only focused on writing and reading. That's why we know how to write and how to read. but they didn't focus on our speaking parts. That's why speaking remains in our mind. It it's not on our tips of tongue. So friends, it's important to speak and start to speak, friends. And if you are thinking that you know English and you can't speak English, so stop saying this. Why? Because this is English is not that much difficult. um, you can overcome on this language too with practice. So start practicing every day to speak English.